Hey guys, Sal Staccato, the owner of Done Right Windows and Doors. Black windows and doors is the new trend. If you're interested in that trend, come take a look. Right now we're in Paradise Valley, Arizona, installing some Milgard Style Line windows and Milgard Trinsic doors. Let's check it out. I do get asked a lot, why is the black color of the window and or door frame a very popular choice? The answer? I don't know. I really don't. But it is being sold all the time. Here in the Phoenix metro area, that's probably our #1 finish and or color. Doesn't matter what brand, we are selling a lot of it. My thoughts on it? Well, it's a warm color, it's a modern look. There's a lot of colors that will look good with it, and everyone's jumping on board. Even though I'm the owner, I've been an installer for many years. About 15 years I physically installed windows and doors. Still kind of doing it a little bit here or there just for the pleasure of it. As an installer, do I have any concerns for the black vinyl product? The black product is going to be the darkest product and it is going to be taking in the most amount of heat. So in the vinyl product, you do want to make sure that you have a good manufacturing company that you are installing. If it is a good manufacturing company, it's going to be a well-tested product, and then you should have a good result for many years to come. Take a look at your warranty, make sure your warranty is going to work for you, and that window should last you for as long as you need it. Now you might ask yourself, why do we choose Style Line for the windows and Trinsic for the doors? The Trinsic product is a very modern product for their windows and their doors. Their Style Line windows are more of the traditional style windows. In the Style Line product, there are no doors. So typically when the product or the customer is looking for a more traditional product, the Style Line windows are going to work better with the Trinsic doors. It does complement each other very well. It's the same material being the vinyl. It is the same finish being on this home, the black capstock. So it's going to be seamless across the home. Nobody would ever know the difference, and it's going to look fantastic married together. Now, we mix products all the time in any single home. There's many different reasons for it. There's a lot of limitations from every manufacturing company. Every manufacturing company has a pro and con with their product. Whether their shapes are not true shapes, they can't give us the actual shape of what we want, or their limitations of minimums or maximums. With all of this, what we do is look at the best case scenario for the entire house. Yes, a lot of times we are mixing products, but most people would never even know unless you're looking at the actual invoice and seeing the different names, because it's all going to be seamless. There are many things to consider when choosing a black product, whether it's a window, a door, a bifold, or a combination of everything. You do want to look at your frame profile. You want to look at the aesthetics of it. You want to first make sure that the manufacturing company of what you're looking at does offer a black, whether it's black inside and out or a two-tone. There's a lot of different things that are going to dictate which product's going to be best for you. You also need to look at your existing frame and the frame depth. Now this house here is a block house. This door that we replaced did have a thicker frame. As you can see right here, the stucco is missing a little bit now that we've replaced the door. No problem on this house. We do need to come back in and re-stucco a little bit, but those are things that you do need to consider when replacing your product and choosing which product's gonna be right for you. When you are selecting your product and you are looking for the black, you do need to consider the warranty as well. Some manufacturing companies do offer a different warranty for the black product versus the white product. It is different by brand, model, and color, so you need to be very specific when you are looking up the warranty for the product you are purchasing to make sure it's going to be the correct warranty for you, your home, and your needs. Now, if you love the black frames of either the windows or doors and are interested in the product for your own home, we offer many different products. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to show you the pros and cons of all the different brands that we offer. Log on to our website at azwindowreplacement.com so you can set up an appointment, come in, take a look at the showroom, and we can show you a side-by-side comparison of all the different brands and models we offer. We'll see you soon.